In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a branded Shopify store using Debutify theme. We will design our store using all the free resources so that even a beginner can follow this tutorial. Let's get started. First of all, I am assuming that you already have a Shopify store. If you don't, then you can use the first link which is given in the video description to create a Shopify store. That is an affiliate link, which will give you the latest offers and discount of Shopify. If you use that link, you'll get your first month Shopify trial for just $1. Okay, once you create your Shopify account, it will take you to a page like this. This is the Shopify dashboard. You can manage the entire store from here. Next, we need to get the latest version of Debutify theme. So, click on the second link, which is given in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, click on this Start Free Trial button. Debutify theme offers a free plan, which is good enough for people who are just starting out. To get that, you need to create an account here. Simply enter your name and email along with a strong password. Now, Debutify will send a verification link into your email. You only need to open your email and then click on this Verify Email button. This will take you to your Debutify account, where you only need to follow this step-by-step process to install your theme on your store. Since we've already created our account, the next step for us is to connect our Shopify store with Debutify. So click on this Connect Store button. Now you need to enter your store URL here. To get the store URL, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on this eye icon beside the Online Store option. This will open your store, from where you can copy the store URL. Then simply paste it here and click on Verify. Now click on this Connect and Get Theme button. Next, click on this Download button to install the Debutify theme. Here, select the Fresh Install option and then Confirm. And just like this, the theme will be installed on your computer. The next step is to upload this theme on your Shopify store. To do that, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on the Online Store option. Here, click on this Add Theme option and then select the zip file option. Here, you need to add the theme you just installed from Debutify and then click on this Upload button. Now it will take some moments to install the theme on the store, and once it's done, click on this Publish button to set it as a default theme on your store. Now, if you go back to our current store and then refresh it, you'll see that the Debutify theme layout is fully active here. And now, we only need to customize this page as per our need. So, let's go back to our store dashboard now. And before starting the store customization, it's recommended that you add all your products beforehand. That way, you won't face any distractions while working on your store design. So, click on Products on the left menu and then click on Add Product. Here, you need to enter your product title. Next, enter your description here. And then under Media, click on this Upload button to add your product images. By the way, Shopify has an AI feature that can turn your simple product images into professional studio quality photos. You can remove your image background, add new colors into it, and even create a professional background with the help of AI prompt. I've created a separate video on that, and I will leave the video link in the description so that you can follow it to create high-quality images. Alright, once the images are uploaded, make sure to set your best image as your primary image. Next, you need to add your product prices here. Next, you need to enter your inventory info here. And then, there are some other information like shipping and variants that you can fill yourself. And once you're done, click on this Save button to save all your changes. And just like this, you can add more products into your store. Alternatively, if you have a huge list of product, or if you want to import it from some other websites, then you can use this bulk import option. You only need to upload your product CSV file here and then confirm. And within a few seconds, all your products will be added to your store. Alright, the next step for us is to create product collections. So go to this collection option on the left and click on Create Collections. Here, you can give names to your collections. For example, I want to create a collection for my newly added products. So I will name it New Arrivals and then hit the Save button. Next, go to the Products section and then select your products that you want to add in this collection. You can follow this same process to create more collections. You can create collections for bestsellers, seasonal products, and much more. Alright, now that we've added the products and collections, it's time for us to customize our store. So go to Online Store and click on Customize. This will take you to the Shopify editor from where you can control the look and feel of your store. As you can see, there are many sections and elements are already added in this page. We only need to replace these dummy content with our own information. On the left-hand side, you'll see some options. When you scroll through this list, you'll see the header option. For now, you only need to focus on this header, template, and footer option. Now, let's have a look at our store layout. First of all, we have the slideshow options. This is where you can add some banners or introduce the latest offers of your store. You can click on this Add Slide button to add more slides here. Next, we have the Featured Collection part, where we will going to show one of our collections that we created recently. To add more sections here, you need to click on this Add Section option. Here you'll find 20 different sections that you can use in your store. For now, I've added this rich text section. I can also drag this section up and down to manage its position. And let's say that you've accidentally added any section that you don't want on your page. In that case, click on this Remove Section option on the bottom left, and the section will be deleted from your store. Alright, now let's start adding content on these sections. First of all, we have the slideshow at the top. First up, we have slideshows. On the left-hand side, you'll see two slideshow options. Click on this first slideshow. For now, I will name it as Slide 1. When you scroll down, you'll see the option to add images and videos in the background. And you can add different images for different devices. To add an image, click on the Select Image option and then upload your image or banner from the computer. And if you don't have image right now, then you can click on this Explore Free Images option. Shopify contains a lot of copyright-free images that you can use on your store. You'll see different categories to choose from. For now, I will go to the men's fashion category and choose an image for the slideshow. Once you find a good image, click on the Select button to add it on your page. Okay, now if you go to the top right and click on this mobile icon, you'll see that this image is showing on mobile view as well. You can change the mobile image using this second option. Here, click on Explore Free Images and select the image that you want to show in the mobile view. Now, our visitor will see different images based on the devices they use to visit this store. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see some other editing options. For example, you can add background video from here. Next, we have the heading and subheading. You can add your welcome message or your latest offers here, which will be visible on the slideshow. You can also decide the text position in the slideshow. For now, I will keep it at bottom center. Next, the fonts option, where you can change the font styles based on your brand. Lastly, we have these two buttons here. For now, I only need one button for this section, so I will simply remove this second button from here. Now, if you go back, you'll see that we have another slideshow option. Just like we edited this slideshow, you'll be able to edit the second one too. But for now, I prefer only one slideshow, so I will delete this second one. There are many other settings in the slideshow tab, so feel free to play around with it to gain more experience. All right, let's move on to the next section. Next up, we have this rich text section. We can use it to give more information about our brand. From this section style option, you can change the background color of this section. You can also manage the text alignment using these options. Under this rich text section, we have a heading and a description. First, I will change this heading. And similarly, you can change the description. Next up, we have the Featured Collection section. In the settings, I will rename this section as New Arrivals. And then on the collections, I will select my New Arrival section. And as you can see, all of our products from that collection are added here. And if we preview it in full screen mode, you'll see that the store has already started to give a professional vibe. All right, now we only need to edit these remaining parts, and our homepage design will be completed in no time. On the left-hand side, you'll see this footer group. Click on this guarantee option here. And now you can add some guarantees here. For example, we are providing a 30-day money-back guarantee on every product we sell. We also offer free shipping worldwide. These are our guarantees that we can add in this part. So in the heading, I will simply type free shipping worldwide. I will also add some text to explain it further. Next, we have the option to add images and icons. I will add icons on this part. So I will simply click on this View All Available Icons. This will take us to Google Icons. Here, we only need to search for some icons. Since I was talking about shipping, I will type shipping, or a truck on the search bar. Then I will select one icon from this list. Next, on the right side, you'll see the icon name. You only need to copy this icon name and paste it here on the icon part. And the icon will be added to the store. Also, I only want to show 3 guarantees here, so I will delete the extra by clicking on this trash icon. You can repeat the same process to add your other guarantees. Alright, now I want to add some extra sections on this page to make it more attractive and informative. I will add this video section for example. If you have a video related to your products, or a video review from your customers, you can upload it on this part. We also have this featured blog section, which will allow you to show your latest blogs on your store homepage. You can also add an image with a text section to promote your other collections or offers. You see, Shopify Editor is very simple. You only need to add these pre-made sections into your store, and then you only need to play around with the settings to change the look and feel of these sections. There's nothing technical about it. I also recommend that you add a testimonial section on your homepage that contains your latest product reviews. This will act as a social proof and will help you build trust with your audience. You can simply visit a popular e-commerce store and then try to copy their structure on your own store. And trust me, when you check some of the most popular brands, you'll find that 90% of their store structures are very similar. Make sure to spend some time learning this Shopify editor, as it is not much technical, nor it requires any sort of developer assistance. Alright, our homepage structure is finally complete. Now we can move on to other pages and try to edit them as well. On the top, you'll see this homepage option. When you click on it, you'll be able to navigate to other pages. So let's go to our product pages now. This is the default product page, and just like we edited the homepage, we can customize this page using different sections. By the way, there is one thing that I totally forgot to tell you. You see, there are many options on this left menu that are not available in our store pages. These are called add-ons that are used to add extra features and functionalities on your store. These add-ons are specially available only on Debutify theme. The reason they aren't showing on the page is because we haven't enabled them yet. To enable these add-ons, click on this login button. This will take you to the Debutify dashboard. Here, you only need to enable all these add-ons. Debutify offers 65 different add-ons to their users, which is really helpful to boost the store conversion. You only need to manually enable all 65 of these. It took me a couple of minutes to enable these add-ons, but now every single one is enabled. Now, if you return to your store editor and refresh this page, you'll see a lot of new options on your page. You can see this age check feature. You can see the announcement bar at the top. And if you return to the home page, you'll see all these new options. On the right-hand side, you can see this 20% off pop-up. On the left, you can see this quick compare option. There's also this back to top button in the middle. There are many different features added to this page, but it's hard to cover every single add-ons. But if you visit the Debutify dashboard, you'll find the tutorials on each add-on. You can follow these small tutorials to set up these add-ons. Additionally, please note that all these add-ons will not be available on your store forever. Most of these add-ons are only available for the premium plans of Debutify, and those will not be available after your free trial ends. Of course, you'll have access to the theme and some of these add-ons, but you won't be able to use every feature with it. Alright, now let's go back to our store editor and customize the product page. When you scroll down, you'll see this frequently bought together section. This section was also added thanks to the add-ons. And on the left-hand side, you'll see a lot of different options that you can add on this product page. For example, we can enable this product recommendation option. Next, you can see this product's bullet point section. You can add your product benefits here, which will be available below your product title. I also recommend that you add a testimonial section on this page. And if you are selling similar types of products, then you can also add an FAQ section. And as I often say, feel free to play around with these options to find the right sauce for your page. The more time you spend on designing, the better design you'll create. With that note, let's go to the collections page now. This is the default collection page. On the top, You can see that the collection name is appearing 2 times, so I will hide one of them. Next, I will click on Add Sections, and then add a testimonial section on this page. You see, testimonials are really important to build trust. So, make sure that you use them on every page. And once we are done with the collection page, the designing part of the store will also be complete. And now, we only need to take care of the technical stuff, like adding a domain, adding payment gateways, policy pages, etc. These are technical stuffs, so I will cover them in some other videos. Of course, I will leave the link to those videos in the description so that you can follow them while setting up your online store. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want a detailed video on Debutify theme customization, then make sure to comment tutorial in the comment section. And I will create a 2-hour complete Debutify theme customization tutorial just for you. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.